Hi everybody, welcome to NAVIFORCE unboxing video again. Today we are going to show you a women's watches unboxing video. Here is a parcel you are going to receive from the online store. Let's open it. Yes. Here is a white box for the ladies models. We draw it out. We can see the outside case and the inside case. We also can see the NAVIFORCE logo. And here is the inside box. Let's open. We can see there is a soft up protection. And then is a guarantee card for 1 year warranty. If you have any questions or any problem after you get a new watches, you can use this card to contact the after sales services. Yes, and then is the instruction manual for the core watch. There are many functions to teach you how to adjust your new watches. And then is a clothes. Yes, we take it out, and yes, it's a very soft clothes. To use it to clean your new watches, the glasses. And very soft, not easy, and will not damage your watches. Yes, here. And this is the circular desiccant for driving the object. Yes, and here is the down protection for the watches. Yes, here is the latest watches we got today. We see here is the number is the NF5013 is the model number 5013L. It's for this model. Wow, so beautiful. Oh, I love it. Yes, so nice. Especially the rose in the dial. 3D rose. Yes. And here is the NAVIFORCE logo on the 12 o'clock position here, and the 12 diamonds for the time scale. Yes. Wow. And the 2 bigger diamonds in the middle of the rose. Wow, elegant and nice. And the special blue color of the Milanese watch dress, soft and easy to fit your wrist. Really fits for the wrist. I love Milanese dress so much. So soft, yes, very comfortable. I love it. And this deep blue color is very nice. Oh, one thing I had to tell to everybody: when you get a new watch, sometimes it will not work. You see now, everything is stopped. You have to draw off this white pin. Yeah. It is to stop the battery working and to avoid the battery wasting. Yeah, drag this pink out and then make this crown on. Then the watch is working now. Yeah. Wow, it's a real amazing workmanship here. And this color with the blue strap is also very fashion. Yes. The one reason I like the millennium stretch also is it's very easy to adjust the length of your band length. Let's find a hard object to adjust this band. Yes, we got this kind of adjustment. And here we can find this hole here. And find the hole. And find the hole on the buckle here. And have arrow. Look this arrow here. And then we put it off. Yeah, now the buckle is very easy to move. You can move to the length for your wristed length for yourself. Yeah. And here you can see we can find a different cup here. Then we make this buckle. Okay. Try it again. Wow, so lovely. I like it. Okay, this is the video of today's latest unboxing time. This is the item number 5013L for NAVIFORCE brand. If you want to have want to see more items about NAVIFORCE unboxing series, please remember to write to us and follow our video ID. You can see more different kinds of video next time. Okay, this is all for you today. Have a good time. Bye.